In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your Reolink if it is not recording the SD card. First is to turn off the camera and remove the SD card. Uncheck for debris and reinsert it firmly until it clicks. Confirm the card meets your camera model's requirements like less than 32 GB for F8T32 model or Cast 10UH S1. You can also trigger the motion. Then check the application for alerts and recording. So if you get alerts but no video, the issue is mainly storage. You can also configure this in the Reolink app. Ensure that the timer recording or motion detecting recording is set for the desired times. So in the camera settings, make sure that the override option is enabled for continuous recording. And configure the motion detection zones and sensitivity and trigger it to test it. You can also format the SD card. Use a card reader to copy any important footage from your computer. And format the card to FAT32 using a Windows or Mac computer, this utility. And that's how you can fix Reolink that is not recording the SD card. Thank you for listening.